Welcome back to another Cuckoo Bird review. This is Jason, and I'm looking for my Cuckoo Bird. Where could she be?
I'm right here!
My daughter Georgia, known as Gigi.
Yes.
We teased it in the last video for the Fall Festival candy corn. So we are now going to review the Skittles Shriekers. Hold up the bag, hold up the bag. There we go. So these are out now seems like every Halloween.
Yeah, we always get them.
We did a review of the zombie Skittles a couple of years ago.
That was a long time ago.
That was...
but you can see on the bag, there's a skull saying, Shrieker.
Yeah, and it says, beware, try if you dare.
And it says on the bag, some are sour, they will be...
Some are so sour, they will make you shriek.
It says right there.
And try not to shriek into the camera.
I've tried these before, I've never screamed. I don't think there's going to be a problem.
Fun size Skittles.
Very tiny.
There's, I don't know how many in the...
I think
maybe like 30 in the bag or something like that. Anyway, the flavors are on the little package here.
And on the bag.
So there's 5 different flavors.
So, green is Shocking Lime.
Shocking Lime.
I can't really tell the difference between those.
There's a light orange that's Citrus Scream. There's like a darker orange. Spine-Tingling Tangerine.
And then purple is Rattled Raspberry.
Rattled Raspberry. And then the dark green is Ghoulish Green Apple.
Yeah.
So,
you can see here all the flavors.
Let's open up our packs and make sure we get one of each color here. So there's a light green. There's
Look at this green. You can see it.
There's purple, light orange, and dark orange. Okay.
Okay. I'm going to get purple in my package.
Oh, take some of mine. Take a purple.
I'll take 2.
So we'll try to review all the flavors. And then if we get one of the sour ones, we'll just have to deal with it.
It's so weird. I only got green and dark green and orange.
You got a lot more than I did, it seems like.
You can have some.
All right. Let's try it. What do you want to try first?
Dark green.
The dark green, which is the Ghoulish Green Apple. All right, here we go.
Sweet.
I'm not really a fan of green apple.
But that one is much more good.
But it's a very good green apple flavor, right?
Yeah, I'm still chewing mine.
All right.
I didn't get a shrieker.
No shrieker. Let's do the dark orange. Spine-Tingling Tangerine.
Okay. It's so scary. I didn't get a shrieker now. It's so scary because you don't know what you're going to get.
That's a pretty good orange.
Now let's do light green.
That's kind of sour. I think I got one. I don't know. Let me try another one.
Yeah, if you get a shrieker, you can try another one so you know the flavor is.
No, I think it's just that tangerine's more sour.
Yeah, I'm
all right. What's next?
Light green. On the camera, it doesn't look like light green.
Shocking Lime.
Okay.
Ready? Mmm. Very good lime. Can you get it?
No, but I feel like a little bit of like sour.
That was really good.
Light orange.
Citrus Scream, the light orange. Mmm.
I'm not getting any shriekers. I might, but I'm not reacting to the sour.
That's like a
sour.
Like a mango.
I'm gonna try it again. I think I got a shrieker. There's the light orange.
It's like a mango kind of flavor. That was pretty good.
Yeah, the last time I got a shrieker, I didn't react. I've eaten these so many times I don't even react at
Okay,
this point.
so let's try the purple, the raspberry.
purple. I'm still chewing my other one. Okay.
That one's alright.
That's good.
It's alright.
Need another one.
Me too.
I've only gotten one shrinker out of like all these. I haven't got a shrinker.
So what do you think your favorite flavor is?
I think
out
it's
of the
purple.
5.
I think it's purple because
You like the
I like
raspberry?
raspberry. Yeah.
I think I might.
I like tracking lime too.
Yeah, the lime is pretty good.
Ooh, that's a shrieker right there.
Got it?
Yeah.
Your face isn't puckering up.
No, because I've eaten these 1,000 times. I also like eating the sour Skittles.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I like the lime. I think the lime's my favorite. And then the citrus green. The light orange.
I'm not really a fan of the citrus green.
I like it better than tangerine.
Sneaking another ones.
Yeah, I think I got one early. It really wasn't too overpowering sour.
You can have that one. I'm just gonna finish all mine. Candy for me.
Yeah, still haven't got
Do
it.
you think you wanna hand these out for Halloween?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, you got one. Your fingers are back right now.
Wow.
I don't do that.
Yeah, so those tangerine ones I got before,
I think you got a shrieker. Nah.
it was not a shrieker. That was a shrieker.
Yeah. I don't
Wow.
react.
Whew.
Better than the zombie ones, at least.
Water.
I don't even have water near me. Oh, that one.
That
That's
was
a sugar
sour.
right there.
That was really sour.
I have a shrieker in my mouth and I don't care.
All right, well that was fun. We did 5 different flavors with the Skittles Shriekers. This is a really fun candy. I think that's kind of the perfect candy for Halloween. A little trick with your treat, you know, right?
You can have that one.
All right, we'll say goodbye for now. We'll say goodbye for now, and go try the Shriekers and tell us what you think in the comments, right?
Yeah.
And go
Where
watch.
did we get these from?
We got those from Walmart. And go watch our Fall Festival candy corn too. That was from Walmart as well. And tell us what you think about that. Don't dump them out.
I'm not gonna dump them out. Here's the Fall Festival candy corn.
Okay. All right. We'll say goodbye for now. Thanks for watching.
Bye.